Hey, it's Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite recipes that I use on this hair regrowth journey. It's a savory, delicious, anti-inflammatory recipe that you can use to nourish your crown from the inside out. You're going to need some fresh salmon, Brussels sprouts, shallots, avocado oil, and some spices, along with a little salt and pepper. Now let's get started. Let's preheat our oven to 400 degrees, and then you're going to take about 1 to 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. This is 3 pieces of salmon, and drizzle that over top of the salmon. And then what we're going to do is massage that avocado oil into the salmon. And then what we're going to do is use this game changer here, the Trader Joe's Sofrito. I love this stuff. It has pepper, dried onion, minced garlic, dried chili peppers, parsley, baked flakes, rosemary, sage. It is delicious. If you don't have a Trader Joe's near you, you can make your own. Just get all of these spices and make your own seasoning blend up. So now we're pouring a generous serving of this Sofrito seasoning blend over top of the salmon, and you're going to almost like massage it in and make sure that all of the pieces of the salmon are fully covered with the seasoning blend. Now we're going to add a little bit of sea salt to the salmon. And then we're going to add some more black pepper. We can't get enough of black pepper. Then we're going to turn the fish over to the backside, pour some more avocado oil on top there, about a tablespoon or so. Massage it in, and then you'll put it in the oven, skin side down. Put some oil in the pan. You'll saute your Brussels sprouts and your shallots. I added a little bit more oil in the pan because it looked a little dry to me. So then I added a little bit of salt. I'm pretty sure I added some pepper in here, and then you just saute it for a few minutes until it gets to the consistency that you like, and then it's done. And then you pull your salmon out of the oven. You can see this bubbling, and I'll try to get you to hear the sound a little bit so you can see and hear that skin is very, very crispy. So you'll see all the spices have gotten themselves settled on this little piece of salmon here. And if this looks good, like something you like to try, hit that like button. Share also what you're eating for anti-inflammatory foods in the comment section. And we will see you in the next video. Take care.